The rest of the ride was quite pleasant for all of them. I will be fine if I get a rescue. Any scratches which penetrate the airport can expose your car's bodywork, which will request. Aspiring, I knew him when he was aspiring. I was quite evident he was aspiring in his inspiring the radiant bureaucracy seems pregnant. Oh, I see. After years of conflict, the treaty finally brought lasting peace. The participants were exposing to Delhi air pollution concentrations for the last 20 years. The day before yesterday, a football player uh, died from the government wanted him for another year and he refused to take part of the election. But he refused to. Uh, these complaints caused much frustration and anger among the customer, which we does not. When I asked him, Rahul told me that he came here with a view to study, but he felt really distracted. When I asked him, Rahul told me that he came here with a view to study, but he felt across the world, orals vary widely, both in the temperatures they experience and they can able. Baking is a process of cooking by dry heat, especially in some kind of oven. It is probably oldest cooking method. A bakery product जिसमें bread है, roll है, cookie, pie, pastries and muffins are usually prepared from the flour or meal dash from meal tainted, which include bread है, roll है, cookies है, pie, pastries and muffins are usually prepared for flour or meal meal derived. Bread, already a common staple in prehistoric time, provided many nutrition. Human diet में earliest processing जो cereal grains की है probably involved dash or dash or dry roasting of collective. Earliest process जो cereal grains की probably involved yielding or dry roasting of collected grain seed. Grain garnishing with drying of corn. Flavor, texture, and digestibility were later improved by cooking whole or broken grains with water, forming gruel. It was a short step to the baking of a layer of viscous gruel or the version producing primitive flatbread. More dash version of flatbread improved. Sophisticated. The phenomenon of fermentation with the resulting lightening of the log structure and dash of appealing flavor. Lightening of the log structure and changing existing. Uh, some of the effect of microbiology dance changes were regarded as some of the effect of the effects of the microbiology induced changes. Microbiology to this role. His family received him at Chennai airport when he arrived. There's some variable and they drove back. A policewoman, a team of policewomen, CA, will be inducted. There might exist a possibility of tampering with evidence in the absence of proper compliance. There might absence a possibility of tampering with evidence in the exist of proper compliance. Might exist a possibility of tampering with evidence uh, in the proper of absence of compliance. There named in honor tail-blazing astronomer Edwin Hubble. Hubble space technology. एक large space-based observatory है astronauts since its launch or deployed 1994 above rain cloud light polluted atmosphere in Hubble crystal clear view है यूनिवर्स का साइंटिस्ट है यूज हबल की वो मोस्ट रिसेंट स्टार्टिकल गैलेक्सीज को ऑब्जर्व कर सके प्लैनेट्स को ऑल्दो जो टेलीस्कोप है लॉन्च हुआ था इन स्पेस 1990 उसका जो इंसेप्शन है ऑलमोस्ट हाफ अ सेंचुरी अर्लियर था एस्ट्रोनॉमर लाइमन here, multiple possibility के funds जो space endeavor abandoned है and plans for larger space technology designated the LST underway है designs for a 2.4 meter primary telescope mirror है जो कि transported होगा space में by one of the NASA rocket primary challenge involved होगा successful transporting जो telescope को raise space was protect करना उस mirror को from jamming vibration that occurred during launch. It was crucial that the mirror will be able to withstand the shuttle preciousness as well as volatile atmospheric conditions जो found in space में if not the precise shape of the mirror could be compared. Imaging की जो capability significant big है after the telescope has been launched now the lens की जो primary figure है correctly नहीं हुआ a lens in the test instrument was about a 1 millimeter ASCO which is large optical standard in 1980 space walking astronaut installed corrective lenses show improve कर eyesight of the Hubble in 2009 corrective lenses themselves were replaced with a super sensitive न्यू स्पेक्ट्रोग्राफ इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू प्रोवाइड करे इंसाइट इनटू द ओरिजिन ऑफ स्टार्टिंग गैलेक्सी जो सक्सेसर है आएगा हबल का जेम्स वेब स्पेस टेक्नोलॉजी एक्सपेक्टेड टू चौदह में इट विल ऑब्जर्व ओनली इन इंफ्रारेड सो इट विल कॉम्प्लीमेंट हबल टेलीस्कोप व्हिच ऑब्जर्व विजिबल और यूवी रेज में हबल करेंटली एज ए कैप्सूल की वो व्यू करे गैलेक्सीज जो कि फॉर्म हुई है 13.7 बिलियन ईयर अगो जो ह्यूमन एक्सिस्ट long for human existing in a area Hubble ultra deep field. Astronomer is 5 beyond Hubble ultra deep field time devoid of galaxy time before galaxy has formed. HG well was into something and well at that time maybe closer 10 as one of the characters in the popular work. If time is really only a four dimension जो space की why is it and why have we regarded something different and why cannot we move on in time as we move about in the other dimension of space. The inception of public was time. Although the telescope its inception was almost a half century earlier, astronomer level mulled over the possibility of large-scale telescope in 1990s. What we started with the factory with little hints of success was a literally vehicle emergency for scientific propulsion, which was not proven. In 2009, corrective lenses were replaced with a super sensitive spectrograph with built-in corrective measures. According to the passage, it's mostly correct. Spheric condition to the learning. It is unable to observe light on the infrared part of the spectrum. ठीक है, it will replaced by James. Was initially constructed but was not launched. One possibility. It can be said that author regard time travel as an effective emotion to what it can be said from the scientific way that time is dimension of space widely regarded as other dimension of space. Time is that is simply on the field that time is presented as another the time is really only full dimension of space. Constant change in directional funds for space funds for space endeavors were abandoned and plans for a larger space telescope by then designated the LST was plans and uh, a- the primary purpose of the pair is to draw comparison between the extreme motion of time and Albert Einstein, discuss the construction and to examine difficulties despite the circumstances which underlie this. A strong lies the government wanted him for another year, but he refused to taking part in refused to take part in. When I asked him, Rao told me that he came here with a view to study, but he felt really distracted. नहीं होगा when I asked Rahul, he told me plus 64 divided by 2 is so long. Choose 154 minus 10, 10 plus 18 is equal to x plus 8. 25 minus 36. This 34, 36, 7, 2, 3, divide 32. 7, 2, 3, 6, 4. Missing number 46, 23, 23, 87, 46, 9, 29, 140, 87, 1, 60, 87, 46, 43, 41, 57, 61, 31, 148, 3, 3. Is 89, 8, 91, 67, 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 7, 1, 1, 3, 6, 6, 66, 34, 32 is minus twice, chop is, chop is 174, 2, chop is 1, 3, percentage of students preparing for this difference between UPSC. Each college is for either each student either prepare for either bank UPSC. PQ is bank Baptist Charles 75 25% UPSC and 10% Baptist Charles 75 25 UPSC inches, that's 440, total 440, Kathy's facilities is +% 50,000 spice or pouch 42 36 shade 60 42 that's the charge is it's charge so cheers $10 30% 15 so much is so much is into this what is the ratio number of students who fail SSC exam QRS together SSCQ SSCQ में है 320 इसमें SSC 100 और 4 and the number of students between bank R T bank R T N 4 shopping if 55% today of PRS are males then how many are there in PRS? Uh, 2000 0 9 8 or P or S. 64 what is the difference between average number of students preparing for bank exam P and Q? 150 bank Q 32 346 173 and average UPSC SRT PCSRT Muslim 148 if the average number of students who are preparing for SSC PRT SSC 440 और टी 80 388 चार 112 what percentage of students are eligible in UPSC? हाँ we get total number of TV and actual number of laptops and the average number of TV sold ADE laptop ADC टोटल कितना है 1700 400 1300 1900 1500 laptop 1800 1000 500 600 800, 850, 400. Average TV A, C, and D. 50, 800, easy to get. 1700, 1700, 1800, 1300, 1900, 24. If the number of TV F is 20% more than B, 144 F and the laptop is 12% more than D. एक सात छः दो चार छः पाँच दो पंद्रह चौबीस नाइन 52 52 चार छः पाँच दो पंद्रह नौ. If the TV sold at 20% more than B, 90%. Mobiles and laptop at 12% more than D. पाँच छः चार चौसठ पाँच छः 17, 26 दो चार 10 पाँच दो 5 2 90. Number of TV sold by B is 40% more than laptop sold by A. The difference between number of TV sold by D or E together. TV, 0, A or C together. If the number of laptop or TV in C is find the C का laptop also 0 3 8 5 4 6 C also 116 0 3 8 5 800 और 118 8 4 6 14 9 580 1 12 15 करें 1524 from 169 to 2000 what is the number? Nothing. Nothing. Because we have something this interaction distance between them after it will become 2 kilometer in the ratio of their speed. Index. Platform of language with speed and decent in big crosses. B plus Charles. T second. B crosses the platform of length is in 2t second. If the train of which twice of length is 62 twice 2 plus 55 is equal to 40. It is Charles equal to minus 80 80 is so is 1 4 2 plus which are equal to 108.60 diagram ये आ जाएगा क्या निकाला length of sphere value of pay we spend average 20% in first one and 35 and in the last one it is extended 20% in first month strawberries is 35 9 3 5 5 6 7 ठीक है 2 in a year salary expenditure person Rupesh is 8 years older than Aditya. Aditya is Rupa minus 67-year-old. Sum of the equals Rupa Aditya Rupesh Aditya plus 8 Aditya Rupa minus Rupa Rupesh Aditya Rupa 111 21 Rohit 142 Rupesh 3 plus R plus 3 and Six. Age of Rupa 36 plus 8. Char, 44. 6. Rupa Brahman. Char, what is the minimum ratio of the kingdom describe their profit in where three different cases 3 is to 4, 5 is to 3. Sula, 4x, 5 is to 3x, which is upon Bharam, y is हमें क्या बताना है what is the minimum ratio minimum period 5 is to 3 15 16 25 16 March 3 Only is 3 and complete the work Any plus 2 is 8 minus C differential is brain body body water body full full body X R T T R T brink water damage win KM है दो XP ZM KM RH KM तो ब्लिंक है RG, damage, more, TO, full, care around, care, XP, care, XP, do, XP, do, round, nature, care, round, KM, ZM, HX, ZM surrounding, HT, auto, damage, flood, around, flood, or XC, XC, XC to Chinese food company, amount is a scale, all ranges, all range is degree, नहीं, no range is scale, first, some almond is resin, ठीक है, some cashew is not resin, ठीक है, no cashew is almond, first and second, एक minute. Choose the which logically follow from the given disregard. Choose the which shows the conclusion which logically follow, disregarding the commonly known fact. Disregarding the commonly known fact. First overlook, second diagram, third diagram. No orange lime. No orange lemon. ये तो है. Some lemon is not citron maybe. Some lime being citron. The rank Piali, 36 Piali Yogita, 13, 36, 13, Cha, 49, 56, 49, 7, which में what is the seventh सूची in the Nilesh and Piali, Piali of Nilesh, 7, 1, so 12% around the square. Certain number of persons within all of them is not the total number of persons in the square of an odd number. 3 persons G to 3 1 2 3 G and usual type of G. 3 G or F 8 to 3 F 2 3 F not more than 30. 30 से कम है A. Third to the left of U. U second from the end of the row. Second from the end of the 2 B or M into B B और M O O A adjacent नहीं है. 5% S और C S and C 5 है. The number right of U is सेम एज लेफ्ट ऑफ एस, यानी कि एस के लेफ्ट में एस से है, फोर पर्सन यू और एम। एक दो, एक दो, हम्म, एक दो, ठीक है। वो और बच्चे से मिलेंगे, लेफ्ट ऑफ और पर्सन बी और एम भी हो गया, और बच्चे से भी 5% S or C, the number of person right of using left of S, 4% U of N, S or C। C को भी बताएं ना कौन। ऑल नंबर का स्क्वायर यानी कि 5 का स्क्वायर 25। दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ, 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25। So the code does not belong to B, H O K B G H O K M E H O K C O F O sits to the right of S or C, and second to the O sits 6 to the right, 7 to the right of C, and what is the position of I with respect to A? Four-person sitting at the corner by 8% in the middle. All of them inside. Four-person C or H in either K or E middle. K, K corner, C H चार है, G मुझे राइट ऑफ D, 3% E, E तीन है, F adjacent D, F fourth left, K 1 2 3 4 F D adjacent K, F D adjacent D K, G मुझे राइट ऑफ D। C fifth to the left of J, C fifth to the left of J, L A adjacent, लेकिन K के adjacent नहीं है दोनों, 2% A2, A2, H, A2, A2, H और D, ठीक है। सी और एच के बीच में जा रहा है आधा, चार, एक दो तीन चार, सी, एक दो तीन चार, सी, ठीक है। सी और सी फिफ्थ टू द सी फिफ्थ टू लेफ्ट ऑफ जे, जे एक दो तीन चार पाँच, सी, जे एक दो तीन चार, जे एक दो तीन चार, ठीक है। ई एक दो तीन, बी, एफ डी एडजेसेंट, ठीक है। एल और ए एडजेसेंट है, के नहीं है। Resonate but not 2% H or D. F set adjacent to D and 4 to the left of K, 1 2 3 4, तो 4% C और H, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, H यहाँ पे हो सकता है। H का क्या बनाया था? 2% H और D, 1 2 H 4, 1 2 3 4, C, C, C 4 हो गए, D G हो गया, E 1 2 3 B हो गया, फिर भी एल ने जे क्या था? सी, सी नहीं होगा, जे, सी, एल और ए है और पी आर, आर एंड क्यू डब्ल्यू, एल ओ, आर पी, mathematics with each of the letter of the word is in alphabetical order and each vowel is attached to the next letter. In alphabetical order, A, E, C, E, I, J, K, H, I, J, K, M, and each word is given next letter, each of the one third from the right hand. 7% are sitting on a bottom or facing right. Using the L sitting left of N and T sitting to the right of a P and T are not standing in relation to one. 1. नेदर काय है Banana is immediately belong to you who walks and to Q three no boxes order and Q each level RM sorry the three boxes RO M was immediately below R. Below R, three boxes are equity, R equity, O R was immediately neither R nor M bottom. And employs this MD, director, GM, manager, AM, clerk. They have different salaries. Example clerk 3 lakh then the AM 4 lakh. He is working as GM, SNR senior to BSR, BSR, English senior to Q plus junior to P, T senior to U plus junior to P, P, Q, P, Q, Q. T is senior to A junior to P, S is MBTN. The salary of T is 6 lakh. Salary of 7 lakh each year. Who among the following is immediately junior now? Forward now. P. After now, R है, B है, U, Q, P. The following is the maximum salary. Alright, okay. Disregard you.